Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change the network into Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the network into your Trust Wallet, you just simply have to open that application, and after that unlock the application by entering your biometrics or passcode. And after that, you can see this homepage. Now you just simply have to go over this swap section at the very bottom, and after tapping into swap section you will get to see this option which calls all network. Tap to that option, and now you just simply have to choose the network which you would like to change to. Now my network is selected to all. Now in order to change, I would just simply have to find the network or the chain I would like to change. I'll select this tone option right here, and then I can select any of these options from tone. And after selecting this, you will get to see this swap option. Tap to swap option and your network will successfully be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.